Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I was looking at some of the trades that were posted in our credit spread scanner, which is Credit Spread Genius. And there's some of the big tech names that are really getting aggressively sort of capped, I guess, if you will. There's a number of call credit spreads being traded that are pretty telling. Now, if you're not familiar with the call credit spread and you trade covered calls, think of it as a covered call, but just without the stock. And the call is protected instead of by owning the shares of the stock by buying a higher strike call. So it's a way to bet that a stock will stay below a certain price between now and the option's expiration. Now, let's work backwards here from the bottom. In Palantir, somebody sold the 70/80 call credit spread that expires on January 31st. And as you can see here, Palantir has been selling off for the last couple of weeks. That's mainly because of some of the employee compensation where employees can choose to exercise and get shares of the company, which just creates more supply and puts downward pressure on the price of that stock once the exercise period for that is over or all the exercise has been taken place. That selling pressure should come to an end, but somebody sure thinks that it's not going to go back above 70 between now and the end of the month. Now in Nvidia, we've seen some of these trading yesterday and the selling just continues. Somebody's betting pretty big that Nvidia is not going to be above 136 between now and Friday. They had that same trade yesterday and a similar one yesterday as well. And then in Snapchat, somebody's betting that it will not rise above $12 a share between now and Friday. Now that's a 7,000 contract trade. That's a pretty big trade. John Kamisic, our head coach, wrote about that today for the subscription, the premium subscribers to the Wealth Building with Options Substack channel. I know many of you subscribe, of course, for free to that Substack channel, which is just wealthbuildingwithoptions.substack.com. But those trades that John writes up, as well as the wheel trades that I'm actually making live real time to my IRA, I write up those as well so that you can see not just exactly what I'm trading with screenshots of what I'm trading, but also I explain why I'm managing the position that way to help you understand the best way to manage these wheel trades, or as I like to call them, cycle recycle trades. So if you're not subscribed yet to the premium, please go to, if you're not there already, wealthbuildingwithoptions.substack.com. And it's just $30 a month and you get these trade ideas. You get some of these trade ideas, the ones that John likes the most, as well as my wheel trade ideas. So I hope you'll join us by becoming a paid subscriber. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.